It was a real honor as a designer to work on this project. It's been in production for over 70 years, and that design has held strong for that entirety and is still constructed by the craftsmen in Hope, Arkansas. It was really an exercise in what can we refine just a little bit, or what can we improve just a little bit to make the product even that much better. The Klipschorn is built to last. Internally, it has over 100 wood panels with high-grade adhesives. We also have high-quality veneers on the exterior. The veneer on this front face is book-matched, meaning the left side and the right side are matched in panels. The two cabinets, the left and right, are also matched pairs when it comes to the veneer. On the Klipschorn, because of the width of this front panel, you can actually start to see how the leaves of the veneer are laid out. And there are 4 distinct sections on the front of this Klipschorn. You can see there is a book match between these two right here as the grains meet up, and this mirror image that's created between this half is what we refer to as the book match. And then on this other side, you can see the same element happens here and here. So these 4 panels in succession, laid out in the way they are what's important to this full, uninterrupted face of veneer on the front. So the Klipschorn has a good percentage of it that's covered in grill cloth. We wanted one continuous line running from the bottom to the top of the lower frequency cabinet. To do that, we extended the side grills up so they overlap the top cap of this lower frequency cabinet. This gave us a larger space to work with on the grill. So as far as the design was concerned, the type of grill cloth we used was very important. The grill cloth is a silver metallic grill cloth, and that really refers to the type of thread we use. Its weave was also very important to us. The weave has a grid or geometric pattern to it, and that's biased vertically to kind of also mirror what's happening with the speaker itself. The grills are removable, and one other improvement we made to the side grill was to remove the notch where the speaker cable used to exit. By moving that notch to the bottom, we now have a clean side grill. So when you take off the side grill or look under the hood, you're going to see an updated input panel. This updated input panel is brushed aluminum, and it really adds an ease of installation for the product. Running the speaker wire down from that input panel, there is a new exit hole on the bottom of the speaker that allows you to run speaker wire directly out of the bottom from a hidden access port and run directly behind the speaker. The Klipsch script logo really pays homage to our history. Klipschorn logo was the first script logo that we had. And when we use variations on the script logo for the other items like the Cornwall or the Heresy or the Forte, we're actually borrowing design elements from this script logo. And when we use the script logo just as Klipsch, we're basically chopping off the OR and N of this Klipschorn logo. So you could think of this script Klipschorn logo as the basis that we're using for all the other script type logos. One addition to the Klipschorn in this new generation is a 2-inch riser base that was added to the bottom. One thing we wanted to do was really pronounce or elevate its stance. So when you walked into the room, you wanted to be able to see the Klipschorn all around and all of its size. So by elevating the speaker these 2 inches off the ground, you get a much cleaner line at the bottom edge of the speaker. The rear of the speaker is now fully enclosed, which means the speaker doesn't have to be placed in the corner. That's great for us because as we're adding design elements to elevate them off the ground to make sure the speaker can be visible from all angles, moving it away from the corner also helps that stance or that view of the speaker as you enter the room. So the goal for this project was not what we could add to this speaker. How could we leave our own mark? But really, how could we emphasize Paul Klipsch's original design intent? So with all of these subtle updates and improvements, I think we've hit that mark.